Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Regina Puri with NPM 233101133, a student from the Faculty of Medicine. So on this occasion, I will present a medical education with regarding pharmacotherapy management for cold symptoms by comparing two variants of the Woods brand cold medicine commonly found in the community. A cold is a crucial defense mechanism of the body to clear the respiratory tract from foreign bodies, mucus, or irritants. However, in its clinical manifestation, cold are broadly divided into two types: non-productive or dry cold and productive or wet colds. The selection of pharmacological therapies modalities must be accurately tailored to the types of cold experienced by the patient to ensure effective treatments. For instance, the Woods Cold Medicine brand divides its product into two primary variants, namely an antitussive variants for non-productive colds and the expectorant variants, which is specially instituted to treat productive colds. Okay, this one. In the Woods peppermint antitussive. The medicine is specially formulated to relieve dry unproductive colds that tend to be irritative, as primary active composition consists of dextromethorphan (HBr) and diphenhydramine HCl. So for dextromethorphan HBr works centrally by suppressing the cold center in the medulla oblongata to elevate the cold reflex threshold. Meanwhile, the diphenhydramine HCl component act as a first generation antihistamine that block H1 receptors, thereby effectively production allergic reaction in the respiration tract while providing a mild sedative effect to help the patient rest. And for this one, for cases of productive colds, there was peppermint expectorant, yes, blue color, until utilizes different therapeutic approach through a combination of the active substance bromhexine and guaifenesin. Yes, the bromhexine component here acts as mucolytic, which work by breaking down mucopolysaccharide structure of the plaque, thereby reducing its viscosity or thickness. This synergy is reinforced by guaifenesin, which function as an expectorant by increasing the volume and decreasing the effectiveness of respiration tract secretions through This combination, osmocolytic and expectorant, the phlegm blocking the airway becomes thinner and significantly easier for the patient to expel. So that conclusions the scientific explanation regarding the ingredients analysis and education of Destico medicine variants. Hopefully, this presentation can provide useful insights and broaden our understanding of delivery rationals medicine education to the public. I apologize for any shortcomings and thank you very much for your attention. Good morning.